I have a video here on my channel showing you how to install PC games using a popular emulator called Winlator. But in the comment section of that video, I'm asked over and over again, what are some good ways to find and download games that they can play? So today, I want to show you the most popular method, and it's from a PC game web store called Good Old Games, aka GOG for short. This method is usually considered the easiest because the games offered by the website are completely DRM-free. And they're going to be games that you currently own, so no piracy is involved here at all. You'll start off by launching a web browser and visiting the website GOG.com. Then log into your account or go ahead and create one if you have yet to register with the platform. Then we're going to tap on the hamburger menu in the top right corner and then select your user account from the bottom. Now we're going to select the games category, and this will take you to a library of games that you have purchased or acquired through Good Old Games. Some of them may not be perfectly playable with Winlator, but they are absolutely games that you can install and test out. The only way to know for sure if it works is to try it yourself. So, once you have found a game that you want to download, we're going to tap on the banner, and you're going to see a menu pop up at the bottom. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll see a section talking about an offline installer, and you'll see at least one file to download here. But you're going to want to download all of the files that you see in this list. Sometimes it's just one file. Other times you're going to see multiple parts. So you want to download all of the files listed in the offline installer section. After these files have been downloaded, you should be able to locate them within the downloads folder of your device. Now we're going to launch the Winlator container that we have already set up. And if you're not familiar with how to do this, be sure to check the video description below for an introductory guide that I've already done here on the channel. And I'll have that linked in the pinned comment as well, so that it's easy for everyone to find. We then just need to find that exe file from in this list, double click on it, and then begin the installation. There are a few websites out there that offer DRM-free games, but Good Old Games is really the best source. Not only does the company put in a lot of effort to get these old games running on modern hardware, but they do it without injecting any annoying DRM into the games that you yourself have paid for. If this video ends up being popular, I'll continue this series and show you other places that you can download DRM-free games that can be installed via Winlator. So be sure to share this video with your friends. That way I can see if it's worth doing more content like this. If you are an Amazon Prime member, then you can claim a handful of premium games on GOG each and every week. It's really the only reason why I have so many in my GOG library. So let me know if you ran into any issues following this guide. And please remember to like this video while also subscribing to the channel for more Android tips like this.